Complete the system modeling. Add a hydronic HVAC system for heating. Assign the system type to the pipes. Distinguishing supply and return flows. Assign the essential calculation data to both the pipes and the terminals. Select the Calculation Circuit object from the drawing menu. From the 3D view, place the start entity of the calculation circuit. Choose the flow direction. Place the end entity of the calculation circuit. Define the name and description of the calculation circuit. Visualize the entities of the circuit. Choose the recalculation mode for the flows. Manage the calculation parameters of the pipes. And the terminals. Perform the system sizing and obtain the updated 3D model. Select entities in the model to view the results. Check the results through customized graphical views. Enter the general data of the client, technician, and building. Complete the project documents with the bill of quantities. And the detailed drawing outputs.